Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to greet in Amharic for 4 specific holidays: New Year's Day, Meskel, Finding of the True Cross, Eid al-Fitr, and Christmas. I'll use one of 4 different verb forms for each holiday, depending on the number, status, and gender of the person being greeted. Let's get started so you can impress your friends with this 4 specific holiday greetings.
እንኳን ለዘመን መለወጫ በዓል አደረሰ። እንኳን ለመስቀል በዓል አደረሰሽ። እንኳን ለኢድ አልፈጥር በዓል አደረሶት። እንኳን ለገና በዓል አደረሳችሁ።
The response to these greetings is
እንኳን አብሮ አደረሰን። እንኳን አብሮ አደረሰን.
The response literally means, glad that he, meaning God, allowed us to make it to the holiday together. Let's go over the greetings one more time.
እንኳን ለዘመን መለወጫ በዓል አደረሰ። እንኳን ለመስቀል በዓል አደረሰሽ። እንኳን ለኢድ አልፈጥር በዓል አደረሶት። እንኳን ለገና በዓል አደረሳችሁ.
If you want to swap the holidays to use a different verb form, there's no need to worry. It's that simple. For example, let's say you want to informally wish a male friend a Merry Christmas. In the example, the Christmas greeting is used for more than one person, which doesn't match the verb form needed for an informal male greeting. In this case, you can remove the Amharic name for New Year's Day, which uses the correct verb form for informally greeting a male, and replace it with the Amharic name for Christmas. Simply remove the Amharic holiday you don't want and replace it with the one you do, so the verb form matches the number, status, and gender of the person you want to greet. How was the pronunciation for you? Please drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you think the channel deserves it.
አመሰግናለሁ.